This 2023 Keystone Hideout 29 DFS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 10, external shower, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, TV, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, leveling jacks, skylight, microwave, oven, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Keystone Hideout 29 DFS is 6,970 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.